Yo, today I've made a 90s house anthem with our new sample collection, Revolution. Let's go. So I've only used elements from my brand new sample collection, Revolution, the serum presets and the samples. I'm gonna start with the main sound, which is this one. And this is just a typical classic 90s rave step. And this is from one of the synth loops, this one. And I just threw this in a sampler and I just grabbed one note and then I made this melody with it. It's quite simple. Only use 3 different notes and this is what the MIDI just looks like. Quite simple. Made a little bit of groove here on the groove pool. I've used the 66 and then with the global amount settings like this and the timing like this. So it's just a little bit more swingy, not too much, just a little bit. And yeah, underneath that I have this bass, which is actually following the synth and together with the drums, it sounds like this. And I didn't do any further post-processing on the sound, except for the sidechain and the mid-side, just by using this utility preset. So all the frequencies underneath 120 Hz are in mono right now. So together with the synth, it sounds like this. Very nice. The next thing that I want to show you is this full groove, sounding like this. No post effects, just this full groove. Sounds very nice. Then I just made some small variations here, like a double kick. Just to make it a little bit more interesting. And with this kind of tricks, it just fits better into the track. Then I have this fill. Very 90s. And this crash underneath that. And then another crash when the drop hits. Then I have this tension string underneath like the whole project. Just creates a lot of tension and just makes it way more beautiful in a way together with the synth that sounds like this. Then I have this serum preset. A gator makes it a little bit more spacey, which I really like. And I did it on the B part of the drop as well. And then you hear this beautiful pad underneath this. Here in the intro part, it's just fully open. And then here on the last part of the B part of the drop, it's filtered and then it just goes open. This is what the MIDI of that pad looks like. Very 90s. Some super simple 90s chords. And this is what the patch of that sound looks like. So I only added a filter on that, that's it. Super simple, but effective. Just makes it way more beautiful and open and anthem-ish. And then on the B part, I added this sound. And this is what the MIDI of that sound looks like. And then together with the main sound, that sounds like this. Then I go to the next part, which is the vocals, and these vocals in this pack are amazing. Really nice. This is the first one. A little bit of delay on it, nothing else. And then I have this one of the vocal loops. I just pitch it 2 notes up with the formants on the complex pro mode. Then it sounds like this. And then this one, really important, just gives a lot of energy when the drop hits. A little bit of delay on that. That's all. And especially on the B part, it sounds really nice together because she creates a little bit of a column response with the other vocal. And then the last thing is this snare roll. Really effective, straightforward, just a simple snare roll, but it works. So that's how you can make a 90s house anthem within half an hour with our brand new sample collection, Revolution 1. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe on the YouTube channel and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.